Hi guys, 191 Smoketree, remember that address. Entry level home, steps to Rotary Park, right down the street here, and restaurants, and affordably priced. Welcome inside. We're personal friends of ours. Bought this home a few years ago, not to flip it, but to live in it, and so they have updated and remodeled. Extra large lot and lots of character. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage, but there's lots of parking and you can drive all the way around the back. I'll show you that too. So 1-car garage, opener. They did everything. They put wiring in the ceiling to these because that didn't exist, and new switches all throughout. Bedroom 3 right here. New windows and new blinds, all new ceiling fans. Bathroom 2, the shower tub. Bedroom 2. And then outside, they did all pavers. It's really nice how the master walks out to the back. Lots of potential out there. Master bath. And let's go look at that backyard before I let you go. And again, really great pricing on this home. You see it down in the comments and the video. You could have side parking on both sides if you wanted to take that off there, but this goes all the way back. Very private backyard. Some of the things I like. This is a really neat shop with extra storage behind. It's got power in it, so you can, and it's good size. That's also a little she cave. I'm gonna poke in there because it's all done so neat. Oh, it's locked, but it's kind of decorated in there like a she cave. And then on this side, they added this wall, and look at the width of the side parking. So you could easily build a big garage back here if you'd like, put in a pool, and still have more room. I mean, that's extra wide side parking. Well, this is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team. Coldwell Banker Realty. We would love to show you this home, any home in Havasu, whether it's entry level to the most luxurious. We're here to help you, and we hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you in paradise soon.